It's no secret that Etsy reviews are important and really a key to continued success on the platform because good reviews help customers purchase more from you. They help your SEO and they help your shop continue to grow. The problem is, how do you get people to leave consistent reviews so that you can use them to your advantage? That is what I dive into today and give you three ways to get customers to leave you a review. Let's dive in. What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Handmade and Beyond podcast. Glad to be back with you guys. LL, leader of the Handmade and Beyond community, your humble host and guide. Glad that you guys are spending a little bit of time with me today to talk about the sometimes ever elusive Etsy review. We all know reviews are so important and they dictate society so much nowadays. We look at reviews for everything: food, hotels, travel, theme parks. Every time we go to do something, a lot of people, or at least if you're me, look at the reviews because they're so important and you don't want to waste your time, your money, your energy, and putting all that stock into one place that has terrible reviews, because there's a good chance that you're going to have the same experience if someone has a 1 star or a 2 star. On the flip side, reviews are super important to you as a small business owner because they will help your shop grow. They'll help people see that you have reviews and that people love what they're getting from you, and that will entice them to buy rather than if you have no reviews or if you have poor reviews. So it's really, really important in your Etsy journey to make sure that you are maintaining a 5 star review. Because, like I said before, it helps you as far as SEO goes. The algorithm sees the reviews, they see that the customers are leaving you 5 star reviews, and they're more apt to send you more traffic to your shop that has 5 star reviews. Etsy is all about the customer experience. And if you are giving a 5 star experience, and then you have a direct competitor that's selling the similar thing and they have 4 stars, chances are you're going to get that traffic and they're not, because you are delivering that 5 star experience. That's what Etsy wants. So they are going to give you a little bit of a bump. Not only that, when customers, like I said, see your 5 star reviews, they're going to be more apt to buy. It's going to help you with SEO. But if you are not maintaining a 5 star review count and you sync and get several 1 star or 2 star reviews, Etsy can see that on the back end, and you could get flagged and you could get your shop suspended or even shut down if you have a lot of poor reviews. So it's really, really important that you are maintaining a strong review count. And that's what I'm here to talk about today, as well as giving you three ways to get customers to leave reviews to your shop. So I am assuming the reviews are going to be good. But this is three ways specifically to get them to leave reviews. I've done other episodes on how to get 5 star reviews. So I'm taking a little bit of a step further. Obviously, to get 5 star reviews, you need to make sure that your expectations are clear, your products are good, superior quality. They don't fall apart. You ship stuff out fast. All that stuff will lead to 5 star reviews. All right, so here are three ways to get customers to leave reviews. Some of these may seem like no-brainers, but I'm going to go over them anyway in case you're not doing it. So the first way, like I just mentioned, is delivering a superior product and superior customer service. In a world where customer service is severely lacking, people appreciate when you go above and beyond to deliver superior customer service. You're friendly if they ask you a question, you're responding immediately or within a quick time frame. If you have the Sell on Etsy app, you get the messages sent to your push notifications to your phone. You can respond like that. And I would suggest that you do that, because that will put a good taste in their mouth, wow them with not only a positive message, but the quickness of the message. I love responding within a couple of seconds, and people are always like, wow, that was fast. I had an order last night. Someone asked me a question. I responded literally in like 2 seconds, and they were like, "Wow, that was fast." Next thing I heard was the cha-ching of the sale because I wowed them with the quickness of speed, so they know I'm going to deliver a quality product because I'm attentive to responding fast. On the flip side is make sure your product is high quality, the expectations are set forth in your description, and all that stuff is correct, and they are getting what they expect to get. But the other thing is, alongside of delivering a superior quality product and customer service, is shipping the stuff out fast as possible, and especially within your processing and shipping times. Don't ship stuff out late. Ship stuff out fast or quicker than your processing times. That is the easiest way to get customers to leave a 5-star review and leave a review in general. So all that stuff smashed together, quality product, customer service, fast shipping, will really entice them to go in and leave a review and leave a 5-star review at that. So that should be your ultimate focus all the time, just for your business in general, but also for reviews. All right, the second tip on how to get customers to leave reviews is to reach out to them after the product is delivered to check on them, ask if everything was satisfactory, if there was no issues, and then on the flip side, ask them to please, if they are satisfied, to leave a review. You'd really appreciate it. It would really help your business, and thank them again for their purchase. That is probably the second best way. That's why I put it number two, to get customers to leave a review, because you're asking for them. A lot of people are busy on their daily life. They may be super pleased at the product that they get, as they should be, but they just forget. They forget to leave a review. So you're going to remind them to leave a review, and you're going to do it after the item is delivered. You don't want to ask them to leave a review when the product is still being mailed out to them. And you may be asking, well, how am I going to do that? How am I going to manage that? It's a lot of work. Well, yeah, it is a lot of work. It's a lot of management, but there are tools out there that will help you do this. My favorite, Alora, they have a follow-up reminder tool, which is a database of people that have purchased from you, and you can set the time frame 14 days after shipment. So within that time, the product should have been delivered. So it's guesstimating, but you're giving it enough wiggle room, and then it's going to go in your database where you are. It's going to tell you, okay, this person falls into that category. You can send them out an email asking them to leave a review, but also checking on them, making sure that they're satisfied first and foremost, and then secondary, you're going to ask them to leave a review. Once it's sent, it will mark it as sent, and then it'll go out of your database. Really cool tool, follow-up reminder tool. I'll link to it below. You can use it. You can adjust the messaging. How it works is when you're ready to send the message, it'll link to your Etsy shop, and it'll go to that person, open up your messenger, and all you do is paste and hit send. That's it. It pulls in the name, it pulls in the order number, pulls in all that stuff for you. So it directly links to your Etsy shop. It's integrated. So it is very seamless and very easy to do. It takes literally a couple of seconds to do each one for each customer. The other tool that you can use is Craftkit. They have an email integration tool as well. Works kind of the same way. It links with your Etsy shop. The only difference with Craftkit is it does it for you. You can pick the same thing like 14 days after delivery or however far out you want to push it. Once it shows in that time frame, then it'll go in and automatically on the back end send them that email. You can adjust what's said in the email. And then it also links to some recently sold products to entice them to maybe even buy some more from you. So a little bit different. And they have 4 different campaigns that you can do throughout the customer journey if you want to send them multiple emails. Etsy says it's okay to send them emails during the customer journey to give them updates. So you are allowed to do this. So don't worry about messaging and reaching out to customers. It's only after the fact, after that journey is over, in order to reach out to them, they have to be opted into your list. So make sure you're not just sending them promotional stuff after the customer journey is over, because that is something that is frowned upon, but you can get them to opt in to your list in other ways. I'm not going to go into that right now, but that is one way, or actually two ways, that you can send follow-up reminders without actually manually going in, looking through your orders tab, figuring out who you're going to send the messages to. Both of those ways track that for you and make it super easy to be able to do that. And I'll link to both of those tools below for you. But that's the best way to increase your, well, second best way to increase your review rate. Reaching them out to them and asking them to leave a review can easily increase your review rate by 5 to 10%. I've used these tools, I've seen it happen. So if you want to get some more reviews, especially early on in your journey where it's so important to show the algorithm that you are a 5-star seller, I would highly recommend that you're sending these emails out using these systems or doing it manually, whatever you want to do that makes it easier for you. Make sure you're reaching out to your customers to check on them and ask them to leave reviews. You'd be shocked at how many people will leave your reviews, how many people will respond and thank you, how many people will commend your product. So it's really an amazing thing that happens when you're reaching out to them after the fact. And on the flip side, you are delivering superior customer service as well because you're checking on them first and foremost, and then you're going to ask them to leave a review. All right. That brings us to number 3. And this is something that's super simple, super easy for you to do. And you need to make sure that you're doing it. Add a packing slip to your orders that are sent. So a packing slip is great. It's not only a receipt for the customer, it's not only shows them what they bought, but you can put stuff on the packing slip asking them to leave a review. You can check on them, tell them, hope you're satisfied. We really appreciate your business. We're thankful to have you as a customer. Show your appreciation, thank them, and then ask them, if you're completely satisfied, we super appreciate a review. It really helps our business. It really helps our shop. And you can do this all in Etsy, in the packing slips within Etsy. You can edit them. There is an edit button. It's actually, I think it says customize packing slip. When you go to print your orders out, you can print the label, and then there's a secondary print option to print a packing slip. And then there's a button to customize the packing slip. On that packing slip, you can customize the text, what you're saying to them, the messaging that you're saying, and then it also gives you the ability to add a coupon code, which I would definitely recommend doing, because again, that's going to entice a coupon code is going to entice them to come back and buy more from you. So that is just free, easy marketing that you should be doing. I know some people take it a step further. Maybe they put in a business card, maybe they put in a flyer. You can put in free samples if that's easy and cheap and cost effective for you to do. There's a lot of things that you can do to really wow them when they get the product from you. So keep that in mind. At a minimum, you should put in a packing slip thanking them and asking them to leave a review. You can throw in some stickers. There's a lot of different little things that you can add, little touches. So be creative, be on brand with what you want to do. I've done all sorts of stuff. Some people do some really creative things when it comes to what they're sending in their packaging, and with the packaging itself, different the way that they're boxing the items or wrapping the items, the mailers that they're using. So you can be creative with all that different stuff and be on brand and kind of wow them in that way, along with the packing slip as well. So those are the 3 best ways to get customers to leave you 5-star reviews. So make sure that you are working that stuff into your workflow so that you're getting more reviews. More reviews will help you get more sales, and it'll help you continue to get more customers. And I'm going to leave you with something free that I made specifically for you guys. I always like to give you something that you guys can use in your business. That is what I'm here to do, is help you grow your Etsy business. So I have a freebie 5-star review formula for you guys. It's a free guide that you can download to help you get amazing 5-star reviews. It has some best practices, some tips on there for you. So make sure you're going and downloading that completely free. You can get it at handmadeandbeyond.com/review formula. Download that. implement it in your business, continue to get those 5-star reviews, continue to grow your business, get more sales. That's what I want for you guys. But hopefully that helps you guys out. I'll be back really soon with another great episode for you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day.